Hi guys, welcome back to our English lesson. So for today, we are still in the new topic which is Module 6, Food Please. So in this topic, we are going to learn about countable and uncountable nouns. So hari ini kita nak belajar tentang countable and uncountable nouns. So let's get into our lesson today. So first, plural countable nouns. Okay, apa tu countable nouns? Okay. Things you can count. Bermaksud awak boleh mengira. Walaupun banyak, benda tu walaupun banyak, awak masih boleh mengira. Kalau awak masih boleh mengira, bermaksud yang tu adalah countable nouns. And for countable nouns, we use there are. Okay, let's look into some examples. Okay, first, tomatoes. Tomatoes are countable nouns. So we use there are some tomatoes on the table. Walaupun tomato ada banyak kan, awak masih boleh mengira. So there are some tomatoes on the table. Next, onions. Onions is countable nouns because you can count onions. Although it is a lot, you can see although there are many onions, you still can count them. So you use there are some onions on the table. So onion ni countable noun. So sebab countable noun kita guna there are. Okay, there are some onions on the table. Next, eggs. Eggs also countable nouns. Awak boleh mengira. Okay, example, there are some eggs on the table. There are some eggs on the table. Next, carrots. Carrots is also countable nouns. You can count them. So you will write, there are some carrots on the table. Next, peppers. There are some peppers on the table. Peppers pun countable nouns. Walaupun banyak, awak masih boleh mengira. Okay, so always remember for countable nouns, you will use there are. Okay, untuk barang yang boleh kita kira countable, kita guna there are. Okay, next. Uncountable nouns. Uncountable nouns bermaksud things you can't count. You cannot count. Okay, you cannot count. Okay, awak tak boleh mengira. So you use there is atau des. Ringkasan there is adalah des. Okay, so let's look into some example. First, flour. Tepung. Boleh tak awak mengira tepung? Tak boleh. So you use there is. There is some flour on the table. Next, juice. Boleh tak awak mengira jus? Jus ke air ke, awak tak boleh mengira. So you use there is some orange juice on the table. Okay. Next, lettuce. Lettuce pun awak tak boleh mengira. So there is some lettuce on the table. Next, sugar. Gula awak boleh mengira tak? Tak boleh. So you use there is. There is some sugar on the table. Next, cheese. Cheese ni. Yang ni. Awak boleh mengira tak cheese? Tak boleh. So you use there is some cheese on the table. Milk. Milk, susu. Boleh tak awak mengira susu? Tak boleh. So there is some milk on the table. Chocolate. Chocolate pun awak tak boleh mengira. Okay. So there is some chocolate on the table. So always remember for countable nouns we use there are. Benda yang boleh mengira kita guna there are. Okay. If for uncountable nouns, benda yang tak boleh mengira, you use des or there is. Okay, so now for today's task, what you should do is, okay, you need to fill in the blanks with the correct answer. You can see there are two answers. There's, there are. Okay, so now, there's some milk or there are some milk? First, milk. Milk, is it countable or uncountable? Yes, it's uncountable. So uncountable, we use there's. So there's some milk in the fridge. Benda yang tak boleh mengira kita guna there's. Benda yang boleh mengira kita guna there are. Okay, next. Okay, dash some carrots in the fridge. Carrots. Boleh mengira ke tak boleh? Is it countable or uncountable? Countable. So when it's countable, we use there are some carrots in the fridge. Okay, now I want you to complete question 1 from question 1 till question 15. Okay, you fill in the blanks as usual. If you have a printer, just print it out, write the answer and paste in your book. If you don't have a printer, it's okay. I want you to write these 15 questions only in your exercise book. Okay, so that's all for today. I hope you understand what is countable and uncountable nouns. Till then, stay home and stay safe. Bye.